Good night. Student name Rosa Alejandra del Pilar Moya Ramírez. Valuation method. Income approach method. Short description. The income approach includes a method of converting a stream of income into an indicator of market value. The income approach is also called the compounding approach because compounding is the process of converting an expected income into an indicator of market value. Advantage of the method. Estimate the gross income using the property can generate surprise your projection for periods when the property is not rented, and for the income you stand to lose if the tenants do not pay rent. And any extra income you can generate through things like parking. Calculate your operating expense reserve for things like park repairs, the bed payments, and depreciation. Deduct the expense you calculate for your actual gross income, the result of steps 1 through 3. Select a capitalization rate and upload into the property's net income. Use the most appropriate capitalization procedure. Mathematical formula. ERV. Notation for the basic capitalization formula used in the income approach where income divided by rate equals value V equal I division R. Can know this income approach formula.